Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Vitthal and Rukmini idols which are made using paper quilling strips. On the Ekadashi, that is come after the Diwali, we do the worship. Vitthal and Rukmini are the avatar of Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi, and the primary purpose of the Ekadashi is fasting, is to gain control over the mind and bodily senses and channel it towards spiritual progression. I am starting with making the Vitthal idol. For this I am taking 5 strips of black color in 3mm to create the face, and here I am making one tight coil dome shape. Just filling the dome with the glue, and with the similar process I have made one more dome. So just joining both the domes together and face is ready. Then to create upper body, here I have prepared this dome which is made using 7 strips of 5mm in maroon color which is having 2 cm length, and one normal dome which is made using 7 strips of 3mm in maroon color. Now just joining both the parts together. Like this. Then to make neck, here I am taking half strip of black color in 3mm and making one ring. Attaching the ring with the body, and then on top of this I am adding face. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I have prepared one more dome which is made using 8 strips of 5mm in maroon color for the base of the body. So I am just sticking it like this. Then I am starting with making the hands. For this I am taking 1 strip of maroon color in 5mm and making one cone shape. Filling the cone with glue. Then using 1.5 strip of maroon color I have created one more cone, and using 1 strip I have created one dome. So just joining dome with smaller cone like this, and then sticking with the bigger cone shape. After drying it, I will just attach the small ring which is made using 1/4 strip of yellow color in 5mm in front of the hands. Similarly, I have prepared one more hand. So hands are ready. Now I am taking one yellow color cardstock and sticking it on the base of the dome. Like this. Then I am starting with making the legs. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of yellow color in 5mm and making one cone shape again. filling the cone with glue. Now to make foot portion, I am taking 1.5 strip of maroon color. Since I didn't have black strip, so I am using maroon strip here. I will color it later and making one teardrop shape. Then sticking the yellow cone on top of this. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg. Now just taking back the figure and cutting the excess paper from the bottom and then sticking both the legs. So it will look like this. Allow it to dry completely. Then I am just coloring it with black acrylic color till the 1/4 part of the leg and also covering the foot portion. Like this. Then here I have prepared this dome, which is made using 4.5 strips of yellow color in 3 mm for the crown, and the height is approx 2 centimeters. Then I am sticking the crown on the face like this. Taking one more small cone, which is made using 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and sticking on top of the crown. Then to make the dhoti or the vastra, or you can say pitambar, here I am taking some small strips of yellow color in 5 mm and just sticking it like this, like a U shape. So just adding 5 to 6 strips in this way. Vithoba, also known as Vithala and Panduranga, he is a Hindu god worshipped in the Indian state of Maharashtra and Karnataka. He is a form of the god Vishnu. And then at the end covering the last strip with the maroon color 5 mm strip. Then taking the figure, and I have already prepared one more with the same procedure. So I am sticking both the sides like this. Then wrapping one yellow and red strip around the waist area to finish the look. And the pitambar is completely ready, looking very pretty. Then I am sticking both the hands like this. Then here I have prepared this dupatta vastra, which is made using green color strips. I have added 3 to 4 strips together, and in the bottom added yellow and red strip. So just wrapping it around the hands like this, because the pose of Vitthal always looks like this. He is standing on the piece of brick. That's why the Vitthal has this pose. He is holding both his hand on waist and standing like this. Then Here I'm taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and just creating one leaf shape like this. Then adding one small triangle yellow piece, and similarly I have prepared one more piece. So these are the earrings. So first I am adding ears, which are made using 1/4 strip of black color in 2 mm, and then adding the earrings. Like this. Then here I am taking white color strip in 5 mm, just folding it from center and starting with the weaving technique to create the garland of white flowers. So just repeating this process till the end. Now I have reached to the end, just securing it with glue, and a beautiful garland is ready. Just twisting it a little bit to open it. And with the same procedure I have prepared the garland and stuck with the Vitthal idol statue, and also added ornaments using pearl chains, some stones to decorate the crown for the necklaces, and also added the ankle band using ball chain and stone chain. So the beautiful Vitthal idol is ready. I have added the tika using yellow color and added one red dot in the center. This is done, looking very beautiful. Now I am starting with the Rukmini. So I have already prepared the base figure just like the Vitthal. Everything is same, just instead of red and yellow I have used here green and pink color strips, and the process is same. Also added the juda, which is made using 3 strips of black color in 3 mm. This is simple dome shape. And now I am sticking this front portion, which is made using green strips. Then created this sari pallu by adding green color strips, yellow strips on the border. But before that we have to attach both the hands. So hands are already made using green and black strips, just like we created for the Lord Vitthal. So first sticking hand in the same manner. Hold it for some time, and also I have wrapped the sari pallu like this, and it's looking very pretty and beautiful. Then it's time to attach the earrings just like we did for the Vitthal. The story behind Ekadashi began with Vishnu sleeping or in a meditative state. A demon, Murudano, approaches and attempts to attack Vishnu. At the time, a beautiful woman sprung forth from Vishnu's 11th sense, often called the mind. An infatuated Murdano asked to marry her, to which responded that only if he defeated her in a battle. As they fought, Murudano was eventually killed. Vishnu awoke from his sleep and blessed the woman by naming her Ekadashi. Also adding some stones for the earrings. And with a similar way, I have decorated this as well using the same garland, some ball chains for Mangal Sutra, added 2 small pieces of ball chain for nut, and decorated the crown and ankle band as well. So the Rukmini is also ready. Added red color tika on all over the forehead. So the pair is completely ready and it's looking very cute and beautiful. Now it's time to make the base bricks. So here I am taking 9 pieces of mound board, and one piece measures 3.5 by 2 centimeters. So I'm joining all the pieces together to create the brick. Now coloring this brick using Geru color chalk paint. You can also use poster colors. Like this. With the same way I have prepared one more brick. So this is done. Now created one more base which is 10 by 5 centimeters. I have just wrapped one mount board piece using black color paper. Now to give the support base I have prepared these 4 tight coils using 1.5 strip of maroon color in 5 mm. So just adding these 4 tight coils in 4 corners and also adding one tight coil in the center which is made using half strips of maroon color. So this is done. And the base is ready. Now I have just decorated both the sides using red color stones. Now I am sticking the bricks. Then in the center I am adding some stones for the decoration. And then it's time to add the idol statues on the bricks. And this is completely ready. It's looking very beautiful and attractive. Allow it to dry. So the Vitthal Rukmini idols are ready. We do worship on the Moti Ekadashi or Gyaras we call in India. And it is looking very vibrant and attractive. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.